Hi guys! Ayan, ito. Nag-upholstery ulit ako ng 4 na upuan. And Andre asked me if I can finish it. I said, of course. That's easy. So, natapos ko na nga guys. Ayan siya, oh. Pakita ko sa inyo. Natapos ko na siya. At ikinakabit na ni Andre. Ayan. At ito nga, ina-upholstery ko na siya guys. Pinapalitan ko siya ng cover. At pagkatapos naman nito ay ating ulit ibibenta. Ayan. So, ganito lang ginagawa ko. Pinabilisan ko na para hindi kayo mainip. Ayan. Ginagawa ko yung sidings niya, yung side, pinaka gilid-gilid. Ayan. At, syempre, tiyagaan lang talaga guys ang buhay. Pag may tiyaga, may nilaga, kaya kailangan magtiis para makaipon ka kahit konti lang. Yan, di naman malaki ang kita. Buhay dito sa Canada hindi madali. So ayan, tinatakpan ko na siya ulit para maging maganda. Binabalik ko lang yung dating tinanggal ni Andre. Ayan, Andre is the one who removed the old cover at ako naman ang nag-upholster. Ayan guys, o diba ang ganda niya? May pattern. So, gawin ko pa ulit yung isa. Actually, 4 po yan. 4 siya. Ayan, kahit tuhod, gumagana guys. Ganyan talaga. Sikap-sikap lang tayo. Mas maganda na lang yan kaysa sa mamasukan. Syempre, yan wala kang amo. Kaya, mas gusto ko na lang din yung ganito. Ayan, sarili mo yung oras mo. Pwede kang gumala. Pwede kang mamasyal sa ano. O kaya mag-pick up pa ng ibang items. So, ayan. Ganyan, gupit-gupit pa, gupitin pa natin at gawin na natin mga gilid-gilid. Ayan. Mahirap lang talaga yung gumawa sa gilid, guys. Kailangan matansya mo kung paano mo siya titiklopin sa gilid para hindi magmukhang gusot-gusot yung gilid niya. Ayan, parang shearing lang yan ng konti-konti. Ayan, natakpan na ulit. And ibibigay ko na yan kay Andre para matapos niya guys. And ipopost na kaagad. Siyempre, kamera. Ganyan lang naman. O, ayan na. O, diba guys? Ang ganda na ulit. Andre's helping me. Ayan. Ayan na si Andre. Binabalik niya na ito. Ayan guys. So, natapos ko na siya. 4 yan. So, ito yung 2 pa. Ito siya guys. Oh. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Ayan siya. So, ito na. Actually, yellow yan eh. So, you cannot see it now because of the too bright. And yan yung mga bag na binibenta ko. Yan, mga binibenta ko rin to guys. So, if anyone wants to buy a bag, yan, leather po yan. It's a leather, shiny. Ayan, ayan naman ang alaga namin si Buffy. O, ayan, akala niya lalabas ako. So, lagi nakabuntot po yan. And Jan, say hello. Is it hard to put it back?
It's not as easy putting them back as it was taking them out, because now things have changed a little bit with the new fabric and the lid, you know, the cardboard covering, it's moved a little bit also. It makes it longer, but
Am I fast?
yeah, too fast for your own good.
Yeah, that's me when I work.
This takes longer, but it's
I
don't
don't
get
like
it done.
I don't like to make it long. I have to be fast because I want to finish other stuff. Yan. Just like yesterday, my God, it took time for me to post in Postmark 7 items, and now I cannot find them, so I have to post again.
And you have to find out why it happened.
Yeah, and I already messaged the Postmark. I hope they can fix it.
You got an automated reply.
Yeah, automated reply. Okay guys, ayan. So, pipicture ko yan mamaya when Andre's done. But it's nicer if it will be taken, the picture will be taken tomorrow because it's not that shiny. Maganda kasi yung kulay niya and it has a pattern guys. May pattern siya. Maganda yung pattern niya oh. But this is yellow and cream color.
Gold.
Gold, okay, gold daw, gold. Okay, thanks.